that's awfully close to interfering right here, and it's awfully close to interfering right here. So I swapped out one side of it, put the bolts on the top, and yeah, that looks much better as far as clearance goes. So what do the instructions say? Well, the instructions know better. They know what's going on. So it says tighten the lock nut on the underneath side. Yeah, they know what's up. Bolts on top, nut on bottom. Not like this, because it looks like it interferes. It's also worth noting that my little 12-volt drill with a full battery, a small battery I may add, only a 2 amp hour 12-volt battery, and a step bit drilled these 4 holes no problem. So if your tractor is somewhere like mine, nowhere near electricity, you can still get the job done. And of course you need a set of wrenches to tighten the nuts. The original jack on my trailer, the tongue jack, it's all bent. The trailer came off the ball while going down the highway, and it bent that. So I've been using this farm jack, just ratchet strapping it to the trailer. Works for moving it around, but I've got to get that resolved so I don't have to deal with this thing. But yeah, being able to move it around with the tractor is going to be very, very handy. Of course, I could put, there's nothing in the way. I could have used the truck to put it right here. But you know, using the tractor hydraulics it's nice. It's really nice. It's obviously hitch specific and tractor specific, but in my scenario here, I can keep this installed backwards with the bucket fully curled up. It doesn't interfere with anything, so I can keep it on board at all times, and it's out of the way for the front for actually using the bucket, but it's also out of the way on the back side for interfering with these tubes. Speaking of tubes, very common tractor mod is to take these plugs off and put a PVC pipe in here and fill that pipe with chain, and I think I'm going to do that soon. Broke it halfway. It's got too much of a grip up there. Broke it halfway. It's got too much of a grip up there. I just installed this bracket on the bucket of my tractor, and so far it's been super handy. Been using it to move my trailer around the property, and it's got chain hooks on either side that I've been attaching to vines and ripping them out of trees. However, most of the time it just rips the vine in half. Right there's the other half of that vine going up into the tree, and if you leave these vines unchecked, they're going to pull a tree down. What they'll do is they'll get up into the canopy of the tree, and then all their leaves will start to suffocate and smother the branches, smother the tree itself, and then the tree just dies from lack of sunlight. And of course the weight of it pulling on branches and whatnot. But this is this vine, you know, These are no joke. These are some big vines. There's a few around here that I've already pulled out of that tree, I think. There's a few that I could not get my hand around that they were so large in diameter.